Friend, you're listening to this message this morning for a specific reason, and you're here because you're looking for a way to, change the destiny of your life, and you're curious about something. And this morning, I want to ask you a really important question in this process of life, where you are sitting in your job, and maybe you're thinking that, I'm going to stick to this job because at least I have a job. And that may be a valid reason. It may be the thing that gets a certain amount of food on your table. But my point here is not surviving. My point here is living. For you to be able to live the quality life that you desire and be able to do the things that you do where you want to do it, when you want to do it, not when somebody tells you, hey, you can take leave now. And if you're sitting in that position year after year, compare it with 2 years ago and compare the inflation and the cost of a bag of groceries. And you'd be honest with yourself and tell yourself, am I going anywhere in life? Or am I sitting around waiting to become a part of the stats? 300,000 jobs lost in the first quarter of 2026 in South Africa alone. And it's not just South Africa, it's worldwide. So I'm proposing that you start your own individual business. And a digital business has a potential customer base of 5.4 billion people every day that's on the internet looking for something. And you can be taught through our automated system and through our training system how to dig into that and generate a sustainable income out of that. And in fact, the sky is the limit. Your thinking is the thing that's going to be determining where you're going to go with this. If you think you can't do it, you're right. If you think you can do it, well, guess what? You're also right. So I would like to propose that you look into this business opportunity. My website is up there, and you can go in there and get the blueprint. Just look in your spam folder. My system will send it to you. And then just make an informed decision, ask questions. That's what I did. I took 2 weeks before I decided to buy into this business. And do that to make sure that you start working on your own dreams, not on another person's dreams, and not on the person that the day you retire, they're going to say to you, goodbye, we don't need you anymore. Work on your own dreams and provide for yourself and for your family. Don't wait and look for somebody else to do it for you, my friend.